So in this lecture, I'm going to teach you the some of the tags that are included under HTML. So we study the formatting tags, formatting text tags in the last lecture. That is bold, italic, underline. So that are related to the format of the text. Okay. So in this lecture, I'm going to teach you the next another commands that are used under HTML in that. So first one is HTML heading tag. So in heading tag, there are different types of tags available. So there is a use of that heading tags to mention a heading. Okay, याच्यामध्ये आपण heading mention करू शकतो. So there are different heading tags which contains h1 tag, then h2 tag, then h3 tag, h4 tag, and h5 tag. Okay, so these tags are available. So suppose you want to show the any of the heading to the web page, then that heading has the some particular size. So that size of the heading is given by using this heading tag. Suppose एखाद्या वेब पेजचं हेडिंग असेल आणि ते हेडिंग द्यायचं असेल तर त्याला हेडिंग टॅग यूज करावा लागेल आणि त्यामुळे काय होऊ शकतं तर ते हेडिंग प्रॉपरली त्या वेब पेजला काय होणार आहे मेन्शन होणार आहे. ओके, सो लेट्स सी हाऊ दॅट हेडिंग टॅग्स आर वर्क. फॉर दॅट ओपन notepad, mention here doc type HTML. Okay, then use HTML. I'm opening HTML tag. After that, immediately closing, write code in these two tags. So after HTML, the another tag which is heading tag, which gives the heading to the web page. Okay, that head tag is not related to the head tags. Okay, so this head tag gives the title to the web page. Okay, वेब पेजला टायटल देण्यासाठी म्हणजे जे इथं तुम्हाला जे वरती दिसतंय दॅट इज अनटायटल्ड नोटपॅड. इफ यू गिव्ह दी हेडिंग और यू सेव्ह दिस file, then that name is coming here. So this is the title. So that title is given in heading tag. Okay, so give the title. I'm giving the title practice of heading tags. Okay, and close this title. This is the heading given, that is title given to the web page. After that, I want to write the data on the web page. So I want to create a web page for a particular any of the website. So give in body tag. All of the code is written in this body tag. Okay, so what are the particular use? Suppose you want to write any of the heading on a web page. So one of these heading tag is used here. So I'm using all these headings in this program. So first one, I'm using H1. Close this H1 tag. That is the size depends upon H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So first of all, I'm show you how this heading tags works. First of all, save this program. Heading dot. Don't forget to give .html extension. Save this program. Okay, just here body tag is closed and HTML tag is closed. So where is heading? Here is heading having HTML. So just right click on that particular program, then open with any of the browser. I'm using Google Chrome. See here, welcome to ICS. Okay. See this output is look like this. Then I'm using in this program another heading. You choose any of the heading tag as you want. So I'm giving this text as it is and close this heading tag H2. Save this file by using Ctrl S, or from here, that is file, save. Go to the website and just refresh it to check the changes. So I'm adding this another line having the heading tag H2. Okay. Then I'm using the another heading tag H3 and close. See this again, Ctrl S. I'm saving this file. Just go to the web browser and just refresh it. Okay. This is the heading tag having the size like this. इतकी size असणार आहे H3, sorry, H1, H2 and H3. Okay. So when you go from H1 to H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, the size is minimized. Okay. मग याच्यामधला कोणता हेडिंग टॅग तुम्हाला यूज करायचा आहे, that depends upon you. Okay. See, I'm mentioning here all these tags. H4, then H5, and H6. Okay, so all these tags are I'm mentioning in this program. Just save this. Go to the web browser. Suppose you want to again open, then right click and open with any of the browser. So I'm just opening this already here. So that's why I'm just refresh it. So all these heading tags are look like this. Suppose you want any of this tag, then use this, use the tag. Okay. So this is the output of H1 tag. This is H2 tag, then H3 tag, H4 tag, H5 tag, and H6 tag. So that's like your web page heading is given. या टाइप मध्ये हेडिंग वेब पेजला दिलं जातं. लक्षात आलं. आता जर तुम्ही याच्यामध्ये राईट क्लिक करून व्ह्यू पेज सोर्स केला तर बघा, जो आपण प्रोग्राम लिहिलेला होता तो प्रोग्राम ऍज इट इज इथे आलेला आहे. सी हियर, just like when I'm opening any of the particular website and right click and see the view page source, then that page source is like this. Okay. So याच्यामध्ये आपण या वेब पेजचा सोर्स कोड घेतला तरी सुद्धा आपण जो प्रोग्राम लिहिलेला होता तर त्याच टाइप मध्ये हे कोड तुम्हाला दिसणार आहे. ओके. सो द हेडिंग टॅग इज गिव्स द हेडिंग टू द पर्टिक्युलर वेब पेजेस. ओके. सो परत एकदा सांगते, दिस इज द टायटल विच इज कम्स अंडर हेड. हेड टॅग आणि हेडिंग टॅग, देयर इज अ डिफरन्स. Okay, so in head tag we give the title to the web page which is come here. See this practice of heading tags, okay, which is mentioned in head tag. And this heading tags H1 to H6, any of this heading tag is used to give a web page heading. Okay, समजलेला आहे का सर्वांना हेडिंग टॅग? Okay, next I'm moving towards the next tag which is table tag. Okay, so in websites there are different types of tables. Okay, आता याच्यामध्ये डिफरंट टेबल्स अवेलेबल आहेत आणि कोणत्याही वेबसाईटला गेला तर त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला टेबल दिसायला दिसतील. सो you search any of this website, there are different tables are available. So how that tables are created on the website. Okay, so I'm just taking this program and take this header, welcome to ICS college. Okay, and in that web page I'm creating a table. Okay, so how that table is used. So HTML table tag is used to display data in a tabular format, that is row and column format. So all of you know what is mean by table and how table looks like. So this table tag is used to display data in a tabular form, and this table have different columns and rows. So we can create a table in HTML by using table tag, okay, or table element, and that table is created by using tr, td and th elements, that means tags. Suppose you want to create a new row, then tr tag is used. Suppose you want to create a table column, then use table data, that is td. And to give a heading to the column, यूज th टॅग. ओके, th टॅगचा यूज करून आपण काय करू शकतो, त्याच्यामध्ये हेडिंग क्रिएट करू शकतो. सो in each table, row is defined by, see here, row is defined by tr tag, then table header is defined by th, and table data is defined by td tags. Okay, so tr means काय तर row, that is first, second, third, fourth, and columns means td, that is in this table, see here, tag is the one column and description is another column, and that name tag and description is given by using th tag. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथेच मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला, हे टॅग अँड डिस्क्रिप्शन आहे, तर हे th टॅगचा यूज करून इथे दिलेलं आहे. आणि याच्यामध्ये त्याचा जो काही डेटा फिलअप केलेला आहे टेबलमध्ये, दॅट डेटा इज फिलअप बाय td टॅग. ओके, so there are another different tags are available here. See, HTML table tags. See, table, it defines a table. Then another one, tr, it defines a row in a table. Then th, it defines a header cell in a table. Then td, it defines a cell in a table. Then caption, it defines the table caption. That means it use the header to the table. Okay, table ला heading देण्यासाठी caption tag use केला जातो. Then another one is col group. It specifies a group of one or more columns in a table for formatting. Then another one is col, then t body, then t head, then t footer. That means header and footer are applied to the table by using t head tag and t footer tag. Then there are another option also available, that is col span and row span. Suppose you want to collapse or you can merge the two columns, then this tag is used. Okay, so here this simple example is given, but I am showing you actually how that tables are created. Okay, so take the new file. See, exclamation mark, doc type, HTML. Okay, then open the HTML tab, close HTML tab, head tab, in head tag mention the title to the web page. Okay, it gives the title to the web page, that is practice of table tag, and in that body tag have all the data which comes in the web page. Okay, in body tag I want to create a table. Okay, so for first of all I'm giving the heading to the web page by using h1 tag. Okay, it not come under table tag. Okay, हे heading tag आहे, table tag च्या under नाहीये. Just I'm using this for a header given to the web page. Okay, so header is given here to the web page. After that I want to create a table. Okay, so I want to create a student table. So for that I'm using, see carefully. Okay, first one is opening table tag, and after that closing table tag. Okay, in this table tag I mention here how the table looks like on the web page. So here I want to take the three columns, that is roll number, name and class. Okay, roll number, name and class. So there are 3 rows and I want 3 columns. Okay, so just like this. See here, I want this type of table on the web page. Having roll number, name and class. Okay, so how that table is created. Okay, हा टेबल कसा क्रिएट करायचा किंवा ह्याच्यामध्ये हे so how that tables are created and how to fill up the data. Okay, suppose I want to create this table and mention that table on a web page. So how that table is mentioned here. So first of all, I'm giving the table tag for creating this table. Then in that, how the rows are created. So for this type of table, there are 4 columns, that is first, second, third and fourth. First row is needed for giving the heading. First row आहे ती heading देण्यासाठी आपण यूज करायचे. So that's why I'm using this first row for the heading of the table or give the header for the particular column. Okay, so which command is used for creating the row? So I'm saying tr tag is used to create a row. Okay, so first of all, see tr, close this tr tag. Okay, so in this first tr I want to give the heading to the columns. Okay, first row मध्ये काय असणार आहे तर टेबलचे जे काही कॉलम्स आहेत तर त्यांना हेडिंग द्यायचं आहे आणि त्याच्यासाठी मला कोणती कमांड यूज करायची आहे th टॅग. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रोल नंबर, when you open any of the tag then close it. ओके, याच्यामध्ये ज्या काही टेबल टॅग मधल्या कमांड्स आहेत जेव्हा आपण ओपन करतो तेव्हा त्या क्लोज करायच्या असतात. ओके, th roll number / th, this is the first heading of the column. Then another one is th, which is name. Another column name is name and third column name is class. Okay, see this is tr tag. So just save this program first and check what it do. .html. See this table tag. See this roll number, name and class. So these column names are appeared here. So there is a need to give a particular data in a table. So this is the first row is created by using these tags. So this is tr is open, tr is open. Tr is used for creating the row. Okay, and th tag is gives the heading. So in another tr tag, there is a need to add the data in the column. Okay, so I'm opening this tr tag and closing this tr tag. Okay, आता हा जो tr टॅग मी इथे ओपन केलेला आहे तो इथे क्लोज केलेला आहे एक रो कंप्लीट झाल्यानंतर. त्याच्यानंतर अगेन सेकंड रो मेन्शन करण्यासाठी अगेन tr रो याच्यामध्ये काय करावं लागते किंवा टॅग घ्यावी लागते याच्यामध्ये. सो आय एम टेकिंग दिस हियर अँड गिव्ह द td टॅग. सो हियर वी कांट do the heading to the column. We just fill up the data into that particular columns, that is roll number, name and class. So in first row just use the heading tag to give the heading to the columns, and in remaining tr tags just fill the data that comes under these columns. Okay, so first of all give the roll number, that is 1, close the td tag. After that the another td tag which mention the name. Okay, then close this td tag. Then the another one is td which mention the class. Okay, so see this here, the another row which is created having the columns, column values 1, name is Neelam and class is FYBSc IT. Just save this and check on the web browser. See this, these values are added. Roll number is 1, name is Neelam, and class is FYBSc IT. Okay. Then I'm just creating the another 2 rows. Okay, so this is the second row I'm creating here by using this tag. Okay, then I want to insert again third row having third value. Okay, then insert the third row values. See this third row is created here. Just save this program and refresh the browser. See this table is created. This sign is appeared here. Where it is? See this? It's extra sign. So that's why it takes as a text. Just save this. See this table is created here. Okay. So that is roll number having the values 1, 2, 3, name and class. So it looks like a table, but it does not have any border to the table. So there is also a name which is not given to the particular table. याच्यामध्ये नेम सुद्धा इथे दिलेलं नाहीये, तर तेही आपल्याला इथे असाइन करता येऊ शकतं. ओके. Just wait for a minute. Then it don't look like a table. Okay, so याच्यामध्ये टेबल टाइप मध्ये दिसत नाहीये किंवा याच्यामध्ये बॉर्डर याच्यामध्ये अलोकेट नाहीये. सपोज आय वॉन्ट टू गिव्ह अ हेडर टू द पर्टिक्युलर टेबल. Okay, so this is the student table. So I mention here student table or a student information table. Okay, so that's for I'm using here caption tag which is mentioned here. याच्यामध्ये मी मेन्शन केलेलं आहे caption tag. So caption tag, it defines the table caption or it gives the header to the table. So add it here after table tag. So use it after table tag which is caption student details and close this caption tag. Okay, so when you can use any of the tag in the HTML, then there is a need to close that tag. Okay, जसं ओपन केलेली आहे तसं क्लोज सुद्धा याच्यामध्ये करावं लागतं. Okay, so just save this file, just refresh it. It has the header which is student details. Okay, it gives the header to the particular file. So this is the simple just see, this is the simple web page having the student details, but it is not in bold. Suppose you want to give it bold, then use here the tag which is italic or a bold tag. For that I'm using I. So you can use different tags or multiple tags on one text. एकाच टेक्स्ट वरती तुम्ही मल्टिपल टॅग्स काय करू शकता, यूज करू शकता. Just save it. I'm using italic tag on the student details. See this, which is not working, so that's why I'm see this using italic tag. or italic format student details. Suppose I want to give it in heading format, then you can use header tag, that is H1 to H6, any of the tags. Suppose you want to do only in bold letters, then use the B tag. Okay, suppose you want to use underline tag, so you can use it here, U tag. Okay, see this underline is appeared here. After that, this table is just look like a simple text. Okay, हे simple text टाइप मध्ये दिसतंय. ह्याच्यामध्ये मला बॉर्डर कुठे दिसत नाहीये. जर मी बॉर्डर मध्ये ठेवलं तर हे मला व्यवस्थित प्रॉपरली टेबल शो होणार आहे. सो दॅट्स वाय आय एम युजिंग इट हियर table border. So for that I'm using table border. I want to give a border having 1 pixel, so that's why I'm using table border is equal to 1. Just save it. See this table is looks like a proper table having the border, because I am applying the border to the tables. Okay, या table ला मी border apply केलेली आहे. For that I'm using just table, and in that apply the border is equal to 1. Okay, so there are another options are available, just like to give a table border color, or to give a size of the table. Okay, so that attributes are also available. So this type of commands are used for giving the information in a table format. Okay, so this is the simple web page having the white color. Okay, आता मी वेब पेज थोडंफार मी तुम्हाला टॅग सोबत वेब डिझायनिंग कसं करायचं हे सुद्धा सांगणार आहे. त्यामुळे मला आता हे पेज काय दिसतंय तर हे कम्प्लीट व्हाईट कलर मध्ये दिसते, तर मला हे डिफरंट कलर मध्ये शो करायचं आहे. ओके, सो ऑल दॅट information that comes on the web page are comes under this body tag. Okay, हे body tag च्या अंडर मध्ये आहे की मी जे काही वेब पेज मध्ये शो करते तर हे मला कुठे लिहावं लागतं तर बॉडी टॅग मध्ये लिहावं लागतं. सो आय वॉन्ट टू गिव्ह अ कलर टू दी बॅकग्राऊंड ऑफ दिस वेब पेज. ओके, मला या बॅकग्राऊंड वेब पेजला बॅकग्राऊंड कलर द्यायचे. सो आय एम गिव्हिंग दी प्रॉपर्टी टू दी बॉडी टॅग. ओके, सो आय एम युजिंग background which is equal to color is equal to pink. Okay, see here I'm using style. Okay, style is equal to background and color is equal to, suppose I want to give a color pink. Okay, so use this particular property which is style. Style is equal to background dash color is equal to colon pink. Okay, and save this particular file and go to the web browser or open with, see this page as having the color pink. Okay, so suppose you want to take this table in a center, heading in the center, then apply the particular commands. That are many of the commands available in HTML. So I just take some of the commands that are included in this. So I just check that this heading has the one of the option which is apply on this. Just I'm checking it. Where is notepad? I'm apply this heading as a marquee tag. So that tag is apply or not. I'm just checking. See this marquee tag. So that's why it is moving from right side to left side. So that types, the basic concepts are related to designing a web page or website. Okay. समजलेलं आहे आज जे काही शिकवलेलं आहे ते? All of you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if there are any query, then say me.